In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell print-on-demand items on Sellfy. Let's jump straight into your Sellfy dashboard. From here, head to the Products section and choose Print on Demand. This is where you'll manage items that are produced only when a customer orders, so you don't need to keep inventory or worry about upfront costs. Next, click Add New Product. This opens the setup flow that guides you from concept to a ready-to-sell item. Start by choosing the product type you want to offer, like a t-shirt, hoodie, mug, or phone case. Think about what fits your audience and artwork best. Apparel gives you size options and color variety, while accessories like mugs and phone cases are great for quick, giftable items. Now upload your design. PNG or JPEG works well, and a high-resolution file will keep your print crisp. If your artwork has transparent areas, like a logo floating on a shirt, PNG with a transparent background is ideal. Aim for print-ready dimensions and keep important elements away from the edges, so nothing gets clipped during production. You'll see a live preview where you can customize how the design appears on the product. Use the controls to adjust position and scale until it looks balanced. Try different product colors to make sure your design stands out. Light designs usually pop on darker fabric and vice versa. For items like mugs or cases, check alignment so the main artwork faces the right direction and sits within the safe print area. When it comes to pricing, set your retail price. You'll see the base cost, the production cost, right on the screen. Your profit is the difference between your retail price and that base cost. Consider what similar items sell for and what your audience expects. Even a few dollars per sale adds up, and you can always refine your price later if needed. Add your product details to help customers make a confident purchase. Write a clear, inviting title and a description that explains the design, the product fit or material, and any care tips. Upload preview images or mock-ups that show the design from different angles. If you're selling apparel, include size and color variants and make sure the main images reflect the selected options so shoppers see exactly what they're getting. Finally, save the product. Your item is now added to your catalog and ready to manage from your dashboard. That's all there is to it. Clean, simple, and ready for your customers.